Hello friends and family, thank you. Today I'm making this video and I call this turban body ruffles turban. Body ruffles, like we have body pleat, so we're using body ruffles turban. And then I will need my normal fabric. This fabric is a damask, so I'm using a damask fabric, though it's not too heavy, so a damask fabric is fine. And then I'll be using the half-inch elastic, that small tiny elastic, this one that you are seeing with me. So that's what I'll be using. And then for my fabric measurement, you've just seen it, 30 by 35 or 28 by 35 is fine. Okay, so we will cut our elastic into 14 inches. I have also showed the measurement. Use 14 inches for elastic, so you cut it into 14 inches. The reason you need to cut it down is so that you can be accurate and not be within in between, you understand. So when you put it, you just stretch it. The work is going to do is that it's going to help you to gather the whole fabric. Okay, and the reason we're using 14 is so that the height of the turban can be enough. Don't do less than, if you want to do less than 14, let it just be like 12, because this elastic is used to determine the height of the turban that we want. Okay, that is the turban depth, so that's why I'm working with 14. So when you use 14 to drag 35, of course you should know that it's going to gather it. While I was explaining to my girls in store, I told them that if you do not want to use elastic, you can just do your what they call it now, gather stitch, gather, that gathered stitches, and you sew the gathered stitches with a distance of 3 inches or 4 inches apart. And then when you are done, you pull the gather together. You pull the gather, it's still going to give you the same result. But then if you ask me, the easiest method is to use the elastic. Okay, so this is what we are doing now. We use the elastic, we pull it, and so you see that it helps to gather the fabric. So we are going to be using a distance of a distance of um 4 inches or 3 inches. 3 inches distance apart is okay, but if you feel like doing 4, is also okay. If you even do like 5, is okay as well, but then 3 inches will be close enough to give us what we want. So we are give a distance of 3 inches between each elastic. So this is what we are going to do from the beginning till we get to the end. So from the start, you leave a distance of 3 inches, and then you continue until you get to the very end. Okay, when you are done, you will see that you successfully created a body ruffles turban. And of course, is if you like that, you can add design to it. If not, only this is a design on its own, and you might not really need to do anything much to for the finishing of the turban other than creating this body plate. So let's just go ahead with it and you will see how it will end. So to everyone that are seeing my video for the first time, I want to say thank you for choosing Creative Ends International. And if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do it to subscribe. We have a lot of views, but our subscribers are low. I don't know why. So please, if you are seeing our video and you enjoy our content, we are not paying money to subscribe. Please do subscribe to the channel so that you can grow our community as well. Please, thank you very much. So after we are done, we are going to create the base. I did not really do much on this base because I have had a lot of videos where I have explain the base in detail, so I did not just bother to go too much details with this, other than giving you the measurement and showing you what to do as creating the pleats. If you are not clear enough, please go through other of my videos. You are going to get a full explanation on how you should go about the base. Okay, so the measurement we use for the base is 17 by 20. So we are going to do that into two places because the intention is to create a V base. And when we are done creating the V-base, I will show you how to finally cover the turban and finish up your work for a good delivery. Thank you very much. Please stay tuned until you watch this video to the very end. And when you are done watching this video, if you love what you see, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit on that like button, and also please do not forget to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Let us build a community across board. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.